show us your backflip.
What? No.
Yeah, come on, Uncle Howard. Come on, Howard.
Howard.
Help him up, Mommy. Help him up.
There you go.
All right, here we go. Watch out.
Wait, stop!
Oh, nice catch, Auntie. All right.
All right, here we go.
Okay, Dad.
Let's do it.
Stay away from that edge.
Come on, Uncle Howard.
There you go, just like college. Mom, you watch it?
Careful, Howard!
Not making it out of it. That's cheating.
Hey, Stephanie! You made it!
Stephanie, I'm glad you decided to come.
Now the whole family's here!
Oh, yeah.
I'm okay. All right.
Oh, good. Ow! Oh! I'm okay. It's okay. It's all right. Oh!